Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the snack prep video. So if you haven't joined me before, I'm doing snack prep on Mondays. Check out my videos on the weekends, lunch and breakfast meal prep. So for today, we are gonna make our healthy snacks so that they're ready for the week. I have my favorite containers that I have been using that I got off of Amazon. I'll put the link to these in the description, but they have these 4 little compartments and they're perfect for portioning out snacks. The size is just great. So we have these containers, we'll have them ready for the week. So this week for our snacks, I'm gonna cube up some cheese. I have Colby Jack cheese for this week. I have some jerky, and I like to keep most of these preps keto friendly, low carb friendly. This jerky is really good. It's really low in sugar, so you definitely have to check that when you buy store-bought jerky. And I have pistachios. I love pistachios, and some grapes. So I will put these into my meal prep containers, and snacks will be ready to go for the week. Check out my other snack recipes that I have each Monday. Check out my lunch recipes also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss all my meal prep videos. And I will get these snacks assembled so we're ready with our healthy snacks for the week.
Okay, first I'm going to add in a handful of pistachios. I love pistachios. I like to always have one kind of nut in each snack pack, and these are just great this week, the pistachios. So next I'm going to add jerky. Jerky is really good, high in protein, so this is going to help keep us full after our snack. I just love jerky, so we're going to have that this week. This is a teriyaki flavor that I like. And I cubed up some Colby Jack cheese. I really like to have cheese as well in each of my snack packs, another high protein snack. So you can use any kind of cheese you would like, but this week is going to be Colby Jack. And I like to have a fruit as well. And green grapes are just delicious right now. So I'm going to add that into my snack pack, and they will be good to go.
All right, so the healthy snacks are ready to go for the week. So they are portioned out into our containers. These containers are just wonderful. I'll put the link to them in the description box. They're from Amazon. They're super cheap and I love them. So check that out. Click subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope that you have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.